2024 Class C Greyhawk XL is a testament to comfort, versatility, and adventure on the open road. Built with precision and innovation, this motorhome perfectly embodies the spirit of exploration. Whether you're cruising through winding mountain roads or parking beside the shore for a weekend getaway, the Greyhawk XL delivers with its sleek exterior design and spacious interior layout, offering plenty of room for relaxation and entertainment. Step inside to enter a world of luxury, with modern amenities, cozy sleeping quarters, and a well-equipped kitchen ready to satisfy your culinary desires. From family vacations to solo expeditions, the Greyhawk XL is your gateway to unforgettable experiences. Join the journey. The 2024 Four Winds 28Z Class C motorhome balances comfort and convenience. Exterior highlights include a griddle and 12-volt cooler for tailgating. Built on a Ford E-Series chassis, Chevrolet optional, it offers a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup monitor for the 8,000-pound hitch, and keyless entry. Multiple floor plans and decor options suit solo travelers or families alike. The 2024 Four Winds 28Z Class C motorhome balances comfort and convenience. Exterior highlights include a griddle and 12-volt cooler for tailgating. Built on a Ford E-Series Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme. A-Class motorhome pairs smart automotive styling with a loft-style interior and panoramic window. Features include a Bluetooth sound system with hidden speakers, AL heating with precise temperature control, and well-organized storage cupboards and wardrobes. Designed for weekend escapes or cross-country trips, it blends contemporary comfort with first-class travel amenities. 4Travel Motor Coach IH45 Luxury. The 4Travel Motor Coach IH45 Luxury is where every mile becomes a journey into unmatched elegance and comfort. This Class A motor coach stands as a true masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, setting a new standard for luxury RV travel. From its sleek exterior to its lavish interior, the IH45 Luxury radiates sophistication at every turn. Step inside to discover a world of opulence, featuring spacious living areas, gourmet kitchens equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, and luxurious master suites crafted for ultimate relaxation. With state-of-the-art entertainment systems and smart technology integrated throughout, this motor coach keeps you connected. Karoo Adventure Camper. Weighing in under 750 kilograms, this arrow-shaped trailer slices drag by 51% versus a classic caravan, great for both EVs and combustion tow vehicles. A 6 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, roof-mounted solar, and a companion app, lighting, locks, HV. Techureon Continental Motorhome. Built on a Mercedes-Benz truck chassis, the Techureon Continental delivers full-scale luxury, including a lounge, dining area with kitchenette, bathroom, and skylit master bedroom. A rear garage fits a Liberty Coach Showcase 2022, where luxury meets the open road in the most exquisite fashion. This showcase presents a collection of meticulously crafted Class A motorhomes, each a masterpiece of design and engineering. Step inside and immerse yourself in a world of opulence, where every detail has been carefully curated to elevate your travel experience to new heights. From the spacious living areas adorned with premium materials to the state-of-the-art entertainment systems and gourmet kitchens. HGV Helios. Helios HGV horsebox range have been designed from the ground up to transport the largest of horses in superb comfort and safety. Exceptional build quality and finish, combined with outstanding longevity and a comprehensive specification for each bespoke horseboxes, create the unique KPH horsebox shape, the perfect balance between aesthetic appeal, functionality, and, most important of all, a pleasing, safe environment that is comfortable for your horse. MCO Giant XL MCO expanded its Movico Giant XL fleet of event structures by launching an innovative mega transformer, the Giant XL. With this new transformer, MCO's fleet sets a new benchmark in the luxury hospitality segment. Discover how the Giant XL represents the next generation of mobile event structures, the ultimate solution for hospitality and brand experiences. With just one single transport, 2 pairs of hands, and within 3 hours. Off-grid Lotus Caravans, the ultimate adventure companion that combines rugged durability with a luxurious home-away-from-home experience. These caravans are built to withstand any challenge, enabling you to embrace the great outdoors with confidence. Whether you're camping in the outback or exploring challenging